Supercomputers refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computers. Executing is the process of carrying out commands. The rectangular area of the screen that displays a program, data and or information is a window. The process of a computer receiving information from a server on the internet is known as downloading. Disk drive is the part of the computer helps to store information. Disk drive. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A keyboard is the king of input device. An error is known as bug. A collection of related information sorted and dealt with as a unit is a file. Sending an email is similar to writing a letter. IT stands for Information Technology. A menu contains commands that can be selected. Plotter, printer, monitor or the group consists of output devices. Edit menu is selected to cut, copy and paste. The most important or powerful computer in a typical network is network server. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into information. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately, direct access is used. To make a notebook act as a desktop model, the notebook can be connected to a docking station which is connected to a monitor and other devices. You can use the tab key to move a cursor across the screen, indent a paragraph. A collection of related files is called record. Storage that retains its data after the power is turned off is referred to as non-volatile storage. Internet is an example of connectivity. Testing is the process of finding errors in software code. A syntax contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of an algorithm. Changing an existing document is called the editing documentation. Virtual memory is memory on the hard disk that the CPU uses as an extended RAM. Computers use the binary number system to store data and perform calculations. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.